D-Labs. Now we know we all stop at episode 8. We are moving on to episode 9 on this wonderful channel and wonderful platform. So today we are going to talk about the modular arithmetic. So under modular arithmetic, we all know that modular arithmetic is part of an XS1 scheme of work. So I just try to take one or two questions so we can just look at it together. But under modular arithmetic is always talking about the whole numbers and also talking about the division and focusing on on the remainder. Just like a binary, when we are converting from base 10 to base 2, where we always focus on on the remainder aspect of it. So the same thing we are going to do with the modular arithmetic. Under modular arithmetic, we have the integer numbers for module 5, for module 6, and for module 7. But if we are talking about the integer number for module 5, we are going to start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. But if we want to talk about the module 6, which is the integer numbers, we start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, under modular arithmetic as well, we also have the addition and subtraction of modular arithmetic. We have the multiplication and the division of modular arithmetic. So, but today I just try to bring out two questions where we can look together and solve together. But let's not forget, we also have addition of module 6, where we can have a table on it. We also have addition of module 7, where we can have a table on it. We also have subtraction, multiplication of all these modules of all these whole numbers and integer numbers. So now today we're going to start focus on simplify the following. Now we have 12 module 5. We have under 12 module 5. We are going to solution. So we have 12 module 5. Now we are going to focus on the module, which is which is 5. Now we are going to have 12 divided by 5. We know that 12 divided by 5 is going to give us 2, and it's going to remainder 2. So I'm going to have 2 remainder 2. Now it's still the same thing, and why we can also express it to be 2 times 5 plus 2. 2 times 5, we know that is 10 plus 2, giving us 12. So we are going to focus on on the remainder aspect. So when we have 2 plus 5 plus 2, so we focus on the on the remainder, which is 2. Then we are going to have 2 module 5. Simple. Very, very simple. So that is the question, and this is the answer. So we have 12 module 5. So under this 12 module 5, we can easily simplify that 12 divided by by our 5, which is our module. So 12 divided by 5 giving us 2 remainder 2. Now 2 times 5 is giving us 10. Then 10 plus 2, that is 12. But we are focusing on on the remainder aspect. That is the reason why I'm saying that under modular arithmetic focus on the remainder of the modular. So we have 2 module 5. Now let's take a look at number 2. Number 2, we have to say 28 minus 13 module 6. Now 28 minus 13 module 6. We are going to solve this one separately before we even try to implement the module 6 at all. So 28 minus 13. So 28 minus 13 is going to give us 15. So we cannot have 15 module 6. 15 module 6. So under 15 module 6 now we say 15 divided by 6. 15 divided by 6, that is 2. Remains Remain 3. So we have to remain 3. So we can also say 2 times 6. plus 3. So, but we are focusing on our what? Our remainder. So, we focus on the remainder. So, that means we are going to have 3 module 6. So, that is it. So, we also have some example as well that is not even this one too. So, we're going to have a short break now. So, when we come back, we're going to talk about little more example on this modular arithmetic. Moving on to another example under this modular arithmetic, where we have division. Divide 6 by 7 module 9. 2x plus 1 equals to 3. Then what? We have what? Module 6. Now let's go. Solution, where we have if 6 by 7 module 9. So I'm going to introduce what? X, where we have 6 divided by 7 equals to x. We have the module what? Module 9. Now we have 6 over what? 7 equals to s. We have the module what? 9. And we all know that 6, this one cannot divide this one. That will give us 0 point what? 0 point something. Now we now say we have 6 over 7 equals to x over what? 1 module 9. Now we are going to what? We are going to cross multiply, where we have 7 times s equals to 6 times 1. So we have 7s equals to what? 6. Now, we all know that we cannot say 7s equals to 6 module 9 as our answer. No. This is not the time to focus on the what? On our module 9. Now, how are we going to do it? We are going to have the multiples of what? 9. So when we have the multiples of 9, we are now going to add it to what? To 6. So that we can be able to divide it with what? With 7 and get our what? Our variable, which is what? X. Now, what are the multiples of 9? The multiples of 9 is starting from what? 9 itself. Now, 9 plus 9, that is 18. 18 plus 9, that is 27. Now, 27 plus 9, so that is 36. Now, and what? And so on. Now, I'm going out of from this multiple that I've listed here. Now, anyone that I'm going to add to this 6 must be able to be what? To be divided by what? By this 7. Where we have, if I say 9 plus 6, 9 plus 6 is what? That is 15. 15 divided by 7 is impossible. Now, if I say 18 again, plus this 6, so 18 plus 6, that is 24. 24 divided by 7, impossible. If I say 27 plus 6, that is what? That is 33. 33 divided by 7, that is another what? That is impossible. Now, let's now look at 36. 36 plus 6, that is 42. If you look at 42, that is 47 times 6 will give us what? Will give us 42. So we can now say 7s equals to 6 plus 36. Are we together now? So we can now say 7s equals to 42. So we now divide both sides by 7, where we have 7s divided by 7. We have 42 over 7. 7 cancels 7. Then we have s equals to 6. So 7 here 1, 7 here 6. So our x is 6. So this question is giving us as 6 what? 6 would what? Would do 9. So that is our what? Our value for x. So now we're now moving on to the next one, which says which says 2x plus 1 equals to 3 module what? Module 6. Now, this is 2x plus 1 equals to 3 is like we are having a algebraic expression where we are going to have 2x plus 1 equals to 3. So we can say 2x equals to 3 minus what? Minus 1. Are we together now? So 2s equals to what? 1. No, sorry, 2. Now, I'm going to divide both sides by what? By 2. So I'm going to have s equals to 2 divided by 2. So s equals to 1 modulo 6. So that is our answer. So that will be all for this wonderful channel for today. Thank you very much for your subscribe, and thank you for sharing.